OELJ for the win here, and today we are playing Cash Clicker. I guess you have to click the cash or something to make money. So it's like Make It Rain, but it's just another one. So, oops, it's my charging. Well, what just happened? Always. I don't know what's happening right now. What is oh my god. Here we go, I'm back on the game. Okay, so let's see how much. So it's 1K for this. So then we have this magic ball. 50 million. What? 50 million? What? Oh, leaderboards. I don't need that. Okay, so what the heck? Ooh, ew, yucky. Okay, so all I can afford is the fruit discount. So I'll get it. Okay, so and you just gotta click. Hey, it gives me $1 a second. So if you're into this stuff, comment below what game you want to see. This will be episode 1. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. No idea. There we go. It's $80. 50. Okay, I'm getting this because then tomorrow or something. Oh yes, $11. Yeah, so I'm just gonna start collecting this. How much money is in there? Okay, there could be $600. So yeah, these videos will probably be about 10 minutes long. Not that long, because it's just a Make It Rain video. But you know, it's kind of like, it seems kind of boring, but it's kind of fun at the same time. Actually, this won't be episode 1. How about, yeah, we'll make this a game review. Actually, episode 1 of game review. Okay? Episode 1 of game review. So, you have to do... Oh crap, I'm supposed to upgrade that. Okay. So, yeah, actually, since the game review, not that long. But, you know. Oh, South Park Phone Destroyer. That's a thing I might do, actually. Maybe tomorrow I'll start something like that. Maybe. You could hear my sister. Okay, so if you're not having fun playing these types of games, oh my god. I hate this kind of stuff. Just so many ads. I don't think I would be getting this game anytime soon. Way too many ads. Yeah, and it takes so long. This video will probably be actually about 5 minutes. My Let's Plays will probably be like 10 minutes, so yeah. If you are excited about the channel, then, you know, please subscribe. So I have $5 a second. Is this true? Yeah, it is true. Okay. Oh my god. And what does this do? So it just takes me to an education site. Okay, I think that's gonna be enough for this video. I wouldn't recommend the game if you're somebody like me. Yeah. So, OELJ for the win. Out.